Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Wherever you are, MySpace Secrets here. It is the 7th of May 2009, back for more with another update. Okay, well, the swine flu panic that has settled down a little bit, if you haven't been aware that we have not seen the last of it. Let me make it clear that when things towards the end of the year will grind to a halt, you will see what I mean. But like I said, it won't happen till later on down the track, and I'm sure you'll simply be amazed at what you'll see. For my Australian listeners, it was quite important that Australia actually released unemployment rate of 5.4% this morning, which actually bumped the market up. But I mean, last night on the American market was just insane. The Asian markets are already up 4% on pure speculation. Crude oil's broken out, and we will likely see that to continue higher. But the market last night, the Dow added another 100 points. So we are now back in the mid 8,000s, 8,500 region and this faked up rally continues. How high we will go is anyone's guess. You just have to see what's going on and how manipulated these markets are lately, and how desperate the governments are to prop this thing up. We are still witnessing a bear market rally, no matter what your interpretations are, no matter what you think. People are now panic buying like there's no tomorrow. They're realizing that, oh my god, the media's right. The media's right. The bottom is in. And it's created this like domino effect wave of buying. Now people, I've seen this happen many times before, and it will happen again, sorry to say. People are panic buying. They're fearing they've missed the bottom is in, and they need to get their money back in the market. Also, at the same time, people realize what is going to happen to the dollar, and they don't want to stay in cash, and they think that putting it back in the market for those reasons is good as well. So it's creating this urgent and unnecessary bull rally that we are seeing. You know what? The smart shorters of the market, people that sell the market short, are rubbing their hands right about now. Why? Because they're going to wait for this rally to slowly fizzle out and then get straight back into the market, short it right back down, ride it all the way back down to wherever it goes. All the same time, the government, who are still willing to reach into their pockets and pull out every last penny until this thing really bugs out. Completely bugs out, I mean. They don't care. I know a lot of people out there, friends and family, that are struggling, yet the analysts are still out there playing the books. They're saying, this thing is fine. They're on the same tune and saying the bottom of the economy is here and everything is fine. It's the same thing over and over again, just like what happened in May of 2008. Don't believe me? Go back and have a look at the charts. Big rally up until the end of May, fizzled out. Analysts were saying the bottom is here, then crack. The market sold off hard, really hard, for about a month, and we hit new fresh lows. Expect the same sort of thing to happen again. Funny thing is, the same brokers that were calling those calls now don't have a job from failed bets, and the people that were telling to get back into the market are now broke or back to square one again. It's Groundhog Day all over again. People are falling for the same old tricks. The market is going up. At the same time, you have all these automotive industries in trouble. Chrysler closing 100 dealers by Friday. You have Bank of America, Citigroup, GMAC. They need more capital, especially after these so-called stress tests. And you probably know what I think of the dud stress tests anyway. They are totally made up. Illegitimate, complete joke, total waste of time, and a fiasco anyway. Complete waste of time if you think otherwise, like I've been saying all along. These banking problems are not solved, yet at the same time you have all these analysts saying that they have been. But just wait until one of these big banks go. I mean, the first one, yes, I mean fully collapse and go bankrupt, because I believe you will see this soon. When this happens, you guessed it, it's not going to be a good situation at all. But you need to get ready for it. And look, at the end of this week will be critical too for the market, because we have the BOE and the ECB announcement, and also the employment situation over in the US as well. So we will look to that to see what happens. Just know that we have a lot more things to come, and the market all it needs is one little catalyst or a collapse of a bigger company to come, and things will get selling off again. In the meantime, you have People like Ben Bernanke, who get up in front of Congress and talk about things regarding the housing market, saying that it's bottomed and yada yada yada. But even when the housing market recovers, which it will one day, sometime soon, it won't be as robust because of the rapid amount of spending by the Federal Reserve. When inflation comes in, people, because it soon will come in, and your dollar buys less, it's not going to be as easy for you to get a loan or to buy what you want, because nothing will be equivalent. I'm not just talking about bread and milk from the shops. I'm talking about everything. Yes, that includes houses and the prices of places to stay and everything. These are the things that the government don't want to share with you. They don't think it's important, but I do. And I think for you too, it's good to keep up with things like this. Anyway, that's just my update for now. May you all be blessed, and I'll give you some more of my updates later as I see fit. Oh yes, just a quick mention that we do have our website opening soon. That is Forecast for Tomorrow, www.forecastfortomorrow.com. The website is down below on the video. There's going to be a whole range of different things there to help people out, some fun stuff too, so go check it out. We launch midday on the 12th of May. Even if you're not interested in the website, you can go over there to the site and get your free report on this whole swine flu episode, which is getting some great feedback. You can go over there and download that and send a quick message and tell me what you guys think. In the meantime, let's watch the important data to come out at the end of this week. Stay strong and steadfast. Enjoy. This is My Space Secrets. Ciao for now, and have a great day. Bye.